Hello and welcome to this Kali Fundamentals module summary. I'm very happy to be here with you today. Let's jump into all of the awesome things that we should have walked away with respect to Module 4. We talked about basic troubleshooting, so we got into things like physical checks, network checks, how to check services, and what we should look for, doing a little Google foo, and how we're really going to start to work through problems from a really foundational level up through those. Remember, any problem that you have, there's likely somebody out there on a forum or on Google or somewhere that can help you to answer those questions and find solutions. And then we talked about the tools and things of that nature that are packaged into Kali, what you can do with those, really looking to build your personal tool chest and better understand the distribution moving forward. And so that was it. That was Module 4. I want to thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.